Hey creative editors, welcome back to Top Tech Tips. Today, I am going to show you how to create a gradient overlay effect in Premiere Pro. First, create an adjustment layer, and drag it to your timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Ramp. Click and drag the effect to the adjustment layer. Under Opacity, change the blend mode to multiply. Feel free to play with other mode for different looking effect. Now, you can adjust the location of ramp to your liking. If you experience banding, use ramp scatter to reduce it. Blend with original is how much you want to blend with the original clip. This can add a more cinematic feel to your video. Next, I am going to show you the 4-color gradient effect. Under the Effects panel, go to Video Effects Generate. Select 4-color gradient. Click and drag it to the adjustment layer. There is blending mode option in this effect, so you don't need to use the blending mode option under Opacity. Change the blending mode to multiply or other mode for different looking effect. You can also change the colors and their positions. Use jitter to reduce banding. That's how to create gradient overlay effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.